Now, let's move on to some classroom-specific guidelines that will help you have a successful day. Before the class begins, make sure to review the substitute teacher folder. This will contain the lesson plan and any additional materials that you may need. Familiarize yourself with the content and the objectives for the day. During class, introduce yourself to the students. Let them know what they should aim to accomplish by the end of the period based on the instructions provided by their regular teacher. Write the agenda on the board, including any homework they should expect for the next day. Refer students to Canvas, our online learning platform. They should know how to access Canvas and retrieve assignments or any important information. Encourage them to use that resource. Throughout the class, follow the lesson plan provided by the regular teacher. Stick to the structure and activities outlined to ensure continuity in their learning process. In case you encounter misbehavior, address it promptly. Talk to the student individually rather than in front of the whole class, asking them to comply with the instructions. If necessary, issue a warning to that student that they will be sent to the office. If you do end up sending a student to the office, please write them a blue slip for the student and follow up with an email to John Hamelink. His email is hamelink, HAMELINCK, @timothychristian.com. Include the student's name, what you did to redirect them, and the reasons for sending them to the main high school office. Additionally, there are some school-wide classroom rules that we want you to be aware of. Students should never have their mobile phone out. If they do, please ask them to put it away. If they have it out again, you are allowed to take it and bring it down to the main office. They also shouldn't have earbuds in during the class period. Students, lastly, should not wear any hats or hoods during class. As the period comes to an end, remind students to remain seated and avoid lining up at the door. Recap what they needed to accomplish during the class and remind them of any homework that they have for the next day. By following these guidelines, we can ensure a positive and productive experience for both you as the substitute teacher and our students. Your dedication to our students' education is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being a valuable member of our team.